Hi, I'm Ross Clark.
And I'm Dan Rowe.
We lead the team here at Clark Construction. We work with our clients from initial concept to design drawings and then into construction to bring it through to a finished product.
Everything with Clark was 100% transparent from the beginning to the end. There was no surprises at all.
It was almost a no-brainer for my wife and me to go with Clark, and when it manifested in reality, we look around and go, my God, I can't believe what was done here. I mean, it's just incredible.
We have a timeline. We know exactly what materials we're going to use. Because there's not so many decisions that need to be made on the fly, it's very clear what's going to happen and how much it's going to cost.
Clark, in a very clever way, kind of said, look, these are all the steps that we would have to go through. They did some diagrams to kind of walk us through how that would work. They were collaborative and actually generated a lot more ideas for us that eventually we would incorporate into the design. It was quite amazing to see the transformation to, what we have today, which is one large great space, which is what we wanted.
In advance of a project actually starting, they send me a complete project plan, would update me if they're behind or ahead of schedule. They were spot on every couple days, if not daily, checking in with where they were and how they were trending. Everything is choreographed precisely, and that gives a sense of comfort and confidence.
We were very happy. This was a complicated project. It was a long project. And I think a lot of it comes in thorough planning. You want to be very specific and very clear up front. And I think that investment that you make up front pays off the end because you really know what you're getting into.
They are first class. It's going to be white glove service, and your life will not be disturbed in one way, and you will get the highest quality craftsmanship available.